This one little thing just might be the missing piece to you achieving your goals. Watch to find out. I've been at this personal development thing for a while, and once I figured this out, things started to click for me. I've been a believer for a long time in goal setting. The statistics around how much more likely you are to achieve something when you have a goal are outstanding. But I got caught up in the trap that setting a goal was enough to make it happen. After tapping into my deepest desires and ambitions and crafting goals for myself, I frequently disappointed myself, falling short time and time again when I didn't reach my goals. That is, until I realized the mistake I was making. The biggest mistake people make when they're setting goals is they don't create a plan to achieve it. I mean, think about how obvious that is. A goal is just some metric, some arbitrary outcome. The way that you reach that outcome is through taking the right actions that ultimately generate the result. Goals are sexy because when reached, it represents some form of accomplishment or achievement. But the truth is, the plan is way more important than the goal. All having a clear goal does is it helps you to have a clear direction for the transformation that you want to occur. It gives you the insight you need so that you can create a high quality plan that, when executed, causes the transformation to occur. A goal guides behavior, and the plan decides what specific behaviors to do. Let me take an extreme example. Let's say I have a goal to be an astronaut. That's never going to happen on its own. But what that allows is for me to know what I want to happen so I can figure out the steps required to make it so. With that goal, I now know what I need to study, who I need to network with, and what fitness tests I need to pass in order to be qualified. But even all of that isn't a plan. Those are intermediate goals on the path to the overall goal of being an astronaut. A plan is determining what date I'm going to start my schooling and in what areas. How I'll put myself in a position through events or discovery calls to meet influential people in the industry, and how specifically I will train to meet the physical standards required of me to become an astronaut. Having a plan makes your success way more likely because it tells you what you need to do right now to achieve it. But often we don't know how to make a plan, let alone have the structure to actually achieve it. And that's where I want to support you. And I guarantee with all of these pieces in place, your goals will be much more attainable than they've ever been. Click the link in the description and I'll walk you through it step by step. You grew today. Let's do it again tomorrow on Self Improvement Daily.